Hey guys, welcome to the Funimate YouTube channel. So my name is Aiden, my account is @Aiden. I have been a fun star for around a year and a half now. So yeah, today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on ways to make your slow-mos look cooler with different effects. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get right into it. So first what you want to do is you want to find where you want to record your video, and you want to adjust the lighting to how you like it. It might take a little bit, it might not, it might already be set, and once you're done that, you just want to record your video. So I record in fast, and you'll see in this slow-mo that I did, I go fast to slow, to back to fast, back to slow, and yeah. One tip, rewatch your video to make sure it looks good, and once it looks good, just hit continue with one video, and you'll be ready for effects. Once you get to effects, what I recommend you doing is going through every single one of the effects, because you never know which one will actually look good with your video. So what I usually do is I go to a part of the video where I want to add an effect, and I go through all the effects to see which one I like and which actually goes with the music and which goes with the video. So I eventually find the clip I want to use, and I use 9mm, and it doesn't look that cool yet, but I use that effect now, and you'll see why later. Then you want to go to Touch Magic, and you want to take the different Touch Magics you want to use. I use Drop first, and I put it to the biggest size, and I put it from each corner of the screen, and it looks like it's basically giving it a border. Then I use glitter, and I want to use a path for this to make it look cleaner than how I would usually do it. And right now what you see me doing is trying out different types of paths to use, because I'm still not sure which one I like. So I'm pretty sure I tried the circle one and the helix one, and then now I'm trying the spiral one, and I still didn't really like it that much, so I kept trying to find one I liked. After searching through most of them, I found one I liked, and I put it on each side of the screen when I used the 9mm. So next I used Color Tail, and I put it to the biggest size, and I put it yellow, and basically what I'm doing is the windmill effect but with straight lines, and I'm making it myself because I wanted to put it as big as I actually want it to be. And disclaimer, these 3 effects that I'm using are pro, but randomly Funimate has these days where they put one pro effect for free, so eventually you'll be able to use them, I promise that. Then, since I wanted to do something with the 9mm, I rendered the video, saved it to my camera roll, and I collabed with it, and what I collabed with it was a white screen. So that's what you see me recording right now, and once you're done recording that, you want to save it and prepare for effects. So basically what I'm doing with the white screen is I'm using the blend effect, so it blends nicely from normally to the mirror effect to normally again. And yeah, that's basically what you see me doing right now. So yeah, just watch that until my voice comes back on for the next tip. So at this moment in time, what you can see is I add the flash mix and blend us effects where I added the color tail. And soon you will see that I liked it, but then I went back and changed it because I wanted to make sure I still liked it, and I didn't really like what it looked like. So I went back and changed it, because you should always go back just to make sure it still looks good, because if it doesn't look that good, Funimate won't feature or lit it. And yeah, so basically what I did was add the blend effect again. Then I go to Touch Magic, and I wanted to use the word world because I was doing everybody wants to rule the world. So what I did was type in world, put it to the font I wanted, and put it blue, and then put it to the bottom of my screen and recorded it. Once I was done recording, I changed the size going up through the video, and then I took the opacity, and once it was going higher, I put it lower up through the video, and then I took the opacity, and once it was going higher, I put it lower so it would fade out while it was going higher. If that makes any sense, watch the video and you'll see what I meant by that's basically what I meant. So that's the only touch magic I did. Then what I did was go to filters, because filters always spice up your videos, and I wanted to use one of the new ones, so I used the 3rd one from the beginning, and I'm pretty sure it's called Aphrodite or something like that. And yeah, I really like this filter a lot, so I use that filter. Then I went to Sound Magic, and it's not that popular anymore, but I just added the glass and girl scream little sounds because it sounded good with the actual audio. So once I was done with that, I saved the video, and I wanted to publish the video, so I used 3 hashtags. I used hashtag Slowmo. I also used the trending hashtag of the day and hashtag feature me, and I tagged Funimate for a chance to get featured or lit with the video. So this is my finished video.
Everybody wants to rule the world.
So guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys take these suggestions and use them, and I really hope if you do that you will get featured or lit with your videos. And yeah,